To change notification sound for individual app on iPhone 16e, we need to go to Settings. Then over here we need to scroll down to Notifications, and you will find Notification Style section here with some example apps on this list. So these apps that you can see on this list can have a different notification sounds. For example, if I go to Messages over here, I have sounds, and I can choose a different sound just for the Messages app. So when I receive a message from the Message app, I will hear a different notification sound than the one that I have set up globally. Unfortunately, only some Apple apps are supported over here. Most of the third-party apps that you download, for example, from the App Store, will not be available over here, unfortunately. Of course, you can try to find it here, check by yourself, because there might be some exceptions. And you can also try to find settings in the specific app. If the app is not listed over here, then perhaps the app has the option in the app settings itself to choose an individual sound for notifications from that app. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!